Because of the progress we've made so far, I'm able to announce today that more of Ontario will be joining Stage 2 this Wednesday. As of June the 24th at 12:01 a.m., the City of Toronto and the Peel region will be allowed to enter Stage 2.
And there you have it, a huge sigh of relief from a big portion of the GTA. As of this Wednesday, bars and restaurants, personal care services, even malls will be allowed to reopen. Some businesses may be caught off guard. Other businesses throughout the rest of the province had been given 5 days, this time only 2, but you can rest assured that many of these places have been ready to get started for weeks. The patio at Cafe Diplomatico has been a staple in Little Italy on Collins Street for 52 years. When it opens in 2 days, the neighborhood should feel like home, even if it means fewer guests. How do you get everything ready?
Basically, I already called in the staff to come in tomorrow for a meeting. My orders are staggering in, so I should be fine with product. We've been open for delivery and takeout, so it hasn't been a total shutdown.
6 million people in Toronto will now be allowed to enjoy food and drink on restaurant patios and get haircuts while following the proper health regulations. Almost all of the province had reached Stage 2 of Ontario's reopening plan before now, but officials in Toronto wanted to make sure COVID-19 case numbers were trending in the right direction first.
We are ready for Stage 2. I'm confident that if this reopening goes well and if people continue to follow public health guidelines, because they're still there when it comes to physical distancing and personal hygiene and face coverings, we will keep making good progress and we will move safely, but hopefully quickly, into Stage 3.
Not only will businesses be taking on the added responsibility of keeping customers safe, but the onus will be on everyone to be responsible and maintain distancing, wear masks, and wash hands.
If we take a look at what's happening in other parts of the world, we need to continue to pay attention to the experiences and recognize that as more of us are out and about and moving around, that there is that chance of increased interaction, and that does give rise to risk. Risk of virus spread, risk of virus transmission.
Watching pools slowly being filled is another step towards normalcy. So too are salons getting back to business. Another example of those businesses making changes in order to welcome customers back.
I can't do anything with the face, no beard trims, no shaves. So it's basically haircuts only, blow dryers to a minimum. I can't even use the brush to clear off the hair on the neck. I have to use a fresh towel on everybody. So again, that's a little odd because I'm not used to that. So it's a change.
Like I said before,
Cafe Diplomatico, meanwhile, will have 18 tables set up on a patio that would normally fit twice as many this Wednesday, something the owner says is a step in the right direction.
things are going to be evolving and it's fluid. Things are going to always be changing. So I think, again, our policy is going to be to do the best possible imaginable to keep everyone safe, or at least also feel safe, right?
A quick look at your latest Toronto COVID numbers. Just 37 new cases today. That brings the city's total to 13,893. 62 new recoveries, and unfortunately there have now been 1,044 people that have died. Also today, the city's Cafe TO program that's going to be expanding on the patios that will be opening as of this Wednesday. It actually has 281 applications going forward. However, City Council still needs to approve it.